Apache JMeter using unit test tool for JDBC database connections and focus on web applications. JMeter installation and setup before install in your PC Java JDK latest version. After installation completed, install verify Java. Windows search box CMD type. First option command prompt, select, enter the text command Java space -- version, enter key press. Installed Java JDK latest version 24.0.1, released date year 2025, month 4th, date 15. Confirmed installation. Terminal window close. Browser open. Search box lo Apache JMeter download, enter key press. jmeter.apache.org download Apache JMeter. First link, mouse left click. Apache JMeter official redirectory web page display. Left side second section lo download section lo two options display. First one download releases, second one releases note. First option download releases, click. Download Apache JMeter section lo mouse scroll down. Apache JMeter latest version 5.6.3 requires installation Java 8 plus above. Install in your PC. First one binaries section lo second option Apache -JMeter latest version 5.6.3 GIF. Second link, mouse left click. Download section lo Apache -JMeter latest version 5.6.3 .gif file. Downloading process start. File size 86.4 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Next, setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Apache JMeter GIF file display. Mouse right click. Extract all options select. Extract compressed zipped folders. Folder extracted location display. First button extract, click. Extracting process start. 0 to 100% completing. Wait in here few minutes. Extracted folder display. Apache JMeter. Mouse right click. First icon cut, click. Left side this PC option select. First drive new volume C, select open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Folder reselect, double click open. First folder bin select open. Run the JMeter application. Mouse scroll down. JMeter bat file select, file size 9 KB. Double click. Application is now running. Interface close. Second method JMeter application run. Address bar lo mouse left click. CMD type, enter key press. Enter the JMeter command. JMeter, enter key press. JMeter now running application. Close. Terminal window close. Third method run application. Address bar lo mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option copy, click. Windows search box lo CMD type. First option command prompt, click. CD space keyboard shortcut key Control V, enter key press. Enter the command JMeter, enter key press. Application interface maximize. Apache JMeter complete user interface display. Close. Address bar, mouse left click, copy this command, mouse right clicks. Second option, copy click. Folder minimize. Windows search box, edit the system environment type. First option, edit the system environment variable. Select system properties, window last button, environment variables button click. Second option, system variable section lo path, select second button, edit click. Right side first button, new click, mouse right click, paste click, OK click, OK click and OK click. Windows search box lo CMD type. First option, command prompt, select JMeter, enter. Enter key press. Second button, maximize, click. Left side, test plan. Select, mouse right click, add. First option, select sub panel first one, threads user. Select sub panel second option, thread groups. Select first one, name, default thread group name. Select your convenient name, enter. Comments, second one option, any comment enter here, thread group related. Third one, thread properties, default number of threads. In case change the number of threads, enter the threads numbers. Default set thread group. Select, mouse right click, add. Sub panel first one, sampler. Next sub panel second option, HTTP request.